Hi friends, I am your TECH.REHAAN. Today we'll discuss about how to calculate the login hours of an employee. Now here we have login and logout time. To calculate login hours, in the first case equal to logout minus login. In the second case, if the employee login at 10 p.m. and logout by 8 a.m. next day, then equal to logout plus 1 minus login. If we are adding 1 to the time format, it will add 24 hours. Very simple friends. If login and logout is on the same day, then logout minus login. If login is today and the logout is on next day, then logout plus 1 minus login. This is how we'll calculate the login hours of an employee. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video.